Hi, I'm Eric with the World of Wet Pets Tropical Fish in Portland, Oregon, and I'm here to demonstrate how to set up a saltwater aquarium. For our demonstrations, we're going to use Oceanic's BioCube. It's one of the small self-contained aquariums. This one's an 8-gallon tank, but it has a lot of the things that larger tanks would have as well. You can buy components and go separately, but this has a few things built into it. Most notably, the lighting. This is going to have compact fluorescent lighting built in. This would be ready for many of your small reef animals as well, corals and the like. It also has built-in lunar lights that will give you your nocturnal moonlight effect. The small cube tanks have their filtration built right into the back. The water flows into the back through a pre-filter, generally through a biological filter, and into a side that has a sump. It's then pumped back into the tank to recirculate. These work very, very well. To this system, we're going to add a heater. Small submersible heater that will go onto the inside. It stays out of the way. Our tropical fish tend to like to be in the mid to upper 70 degrees, so we'll be adding the heater. When we mix up our water, when we start a tank, we can mix it up right in the tank. We will use a hydrometer to measure our salt levels. We will need a salt, something like Instant Ocean or any of the commercial salt mixes will do just fine. Once it is up and we've established the correct amount of salt, generally a cup per 2 gallons. Then we will check the pH. We can buffer the pH with our additives, something like a marine buffer. We can add other additives, calcium and things, depending on what we need to get it ready for animals. We'll generally add a substrate, something like aragonite. That's the big bag back here. That's for the flooring, basically the sand. It will also help to buffer. And then we're ready to go. We generally give the tank about 24 to 48 hours of running with stability. That means a stable salinity level and a stable temperature before we add our first animals.